our third video, guys, about the estimate of materials pertaining to the building construction of residential is all about the CHB walling. We solved the CHB walling by solving the area of this elevation, front elevation, rear elevation, left hand side elevation. We solve the entire area minus the openings. What are the openings? Openings, the doors and the windows and the other openings. There's in estimating the materials in walling. Where a good estimate is not enough, but also a close supervision during actual work is needed so that the actual cost and estimate cost will be no gap. Some causes of loss during actual work are: number one, not proper mixture for block laying. Number three, when the workers are added cement to the too much exposed mixture. I have experienced that in the field. Some workers, when the cement is lapse in time, they add cement. Number three, waste of mixture during block installation, especially when they made too much mixture but the working hours is already up. They naturally leave it or dump it anywhere. The third video. Total area of the wall. To determine, we solve the total area of the wall minus the openings. This is the formula. Area total equals area of the elevation front plus rear plus right plus left plus the partitions minus the area of the window plus area of the doors plus any openings. So we solve first the area of the wall equals, we have the trapezoid, where the trapezoid, the formula we use is 1/2 times base A plus this is A, B. This is A, this is B. So, this is two area of rear and front view. So, 1/2 times 8, where the base is 8, times 4.6 plus 3.4 plus the left hand side is also 2 times 2, 8 times 3.4. This is now 3.4 since we extend 2 pieces of hollow block to the ground. So, plus 2 CR partition. 3.2 times 3.4 plus the division. 8, the base is 8 times 3.4, the height. So, this is equals 1.36 square meter. This is now the area of the wall. Area of the window. So, now we solve the area of the window. Window 1 plus window 2 plus window 3 plus window 4. Then substitute. Refer to the drawing. The door 1 is 2.7 times 1.2 plus 1.5 is the door 2 times 1.6 plus door 4 is 0.4 plus times 0.5 plus door the opening door 4 times 1.6. So therefore we get the answer is 6.48 square meter. Now we're going to solve the door area of the doors, where the doors are door 1 plus two doors ang door 2, then plus door 3. Door 1 plus door 2 plus door 3. Substitute. Please refer to the drawing. 1, the opening is 1 and the height is 1 and the width is 2.1 standard plus 2 times 0.8 times 2.1 plus 0.9 the door 3 times 2.1. The answer is 7.35 square meter. Then there's also an opening. The opening from the dining room to the 2 bedrooms. Opening equals 1.5 times 3 equals 4.5. Substitute the answers. Therefore, area total equals 1.67.40 minus 6.48 plus 7.35 plus 4.5. The answer is 149.10 square meter. Solve the number pieces of CHB walling. Where the factor is 12.5 CHB per 1 cubic meter. Look like this. 1 meter and 1 meter, 12.5 pieces of CHB for this block. CHB is equals 1,863.75 pieces or equal 1,864. Letter B, solve the bar reinforcement for CHB. First, we solve the vertical bars. The reinforcing bar. For CHB. Concrete hollow block. Remember the area total is equals 149.10 square meter. Referring to the simplified of construction estimate, vertical bars space at 32 inches. The given factor equals 5.5 feet per square meter. So vertical bar equals 149.10 square meter times 5 feet. So the vertical bar is equals 745.5 feet. We are going now to tie wire. Letter C. The letter A is the area of the wall to get the number of pieces of CHB, concrete hollow block. And letter B is the vertical and horizontal reinforcing bar for CHB. And now we are going to tie wire. According to the simplified construction estimate book, the vertical bar is spaced at 32 inches. The factor is equals the vertical bar is spaced at 32 and the horizontal space as at 24. The factor is equals 0.0140 using the number 16 tie wire. So the area of the wall is 149.1 times 0.0140, that equals to 2 kilograms tie wire number 16. This is now the tie wire we use. And then we're going to solve Now the mortar, filler and plastering, where it is more complicated. Why letter D? To solve the mortar, filler and plastering for CHB installation. Letter D. To solve the mortar, the filler, and the plastering for CHB. First, letter A. First, find the volume of mortar per block in cubic meter. Volume of mortar. Later on, I will explain you about the mortar and the filler, the difference of the two. Point zero. Where did I get 2.0? The factor equals 0.005. So the volume is, remember the number of CHB, 0.05 times the number of CHB. The volume of mortar is 0.93. To get the accuracy. Cubic meter. Letter B. Second, solve the filler. Solve the filler. The factor of filler is equals to 0.003. So the filler is equals 0.003 times 1,864. This is equals to 5.59 cubic meter. Get the total volume of mortar and filler. Volume of mortar plus volume of filler equals 0.932 plus 5.59 equals and now I have a short explanation the difference between the mortar and the filler. This is now the mortar. The mixture of cement between this is supposed as hollow block, and when you lay a hollow block, put a mixture of concrete here, then put another hollow block. While the filler, this is now the filler, this is the hollow portion of the hollow block where we fill a mixture of cement called the filler. And then we'll go to solve using in the mortar and filler. We are now in number letter C. Determine the bags of cement and sand in cubic meter. Using class B mixture, where the factor of cement equals, in every cubic meter a cement is 12 bags, and the factor of the sand 1 cubic meter. Substitute cement equals 12 the factor times 6.5 the cubic meter of volume of mortar and filler equals 78.3 bags, or equal solve the sand 1 the factor times 6.522 equals 6.522 cubic meter. Number 2, solve the plastering. What is plastering? Plastering is also known as the other called it finishing, where the factor is 0.003 and 2 pieces of the other side, and the outer side, and the inside, and the other in the side inside. Still using the number of CHB 8 by 4 by 8 by 16 inches. Find the volume of plaster. Volume of plastering equals the factor times, remember, 1,864 pieces of hollow block equals 5.6 cubic meter. Then number 2, find the number of bags of cement. And the lime, we use now the lime in bags, and sand in cubic meter. Using class B mixture, where the factor is equals in cement equals 6 bags, Lime, also 6 bags. And in sand, still 1. So cement equals 6 times 5.6 equals 33.6 bags, and the lime equals 6, the factor, times 5.6 is also 33.6, and sand is equals 1 times 5.6 equals 5.6 cubic meter. This is bags. Summary of materials. Then we summarize the materials. The summary of materials: cement is equals the cement in mortar and pillar plus the plaster, 36.6 equals 114.9 or equal 115 bags. And the lime is equals 3.36 bags or equal 34. And the sand is equals 6.522 in the mortar and pillar plus the plastering, 33.6 equals 40.1 cubic meter. Guys, sana may natutunan kayo sa tutorial video ko mula sa column and footing, wall footing beam hanggang sa pagsusulba ng CHB huli. Tapos na, sa susunod na naman ay yung beam na magkakeri ng load sa sa bubong. Yun naman ang video natin na iti-take up. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and click the bell on.